Hey you guys, it's Jessie J. Welcome to my channel Math with Moxie, where I do low budget, no frills math tutorials along with my pet pug Moxie. If you saw my previous video, I did comparing fractions with like denominators, but today we are doing comparing fractions with different denominators. So before, it was really easy to just look at the numerators and tell which ones were greater and which ones were less. But when we're looking at fractions with different denominators, we need to dig a little bit deeper. So let's take a look at 4/5 and compare that to 7/8. So just a refresher, the numerator is the number on top of the fraction. The denominator is the bottom number of the fraction. So my numerators are 4 and 7. And then I've got different denominators, 5 and 8. So what we have to do now, the first approach we'll take is getting a common denominator. So to do that, we will multiply each fraction by the other denominator. So let's do 8. We're going to multiply 4/5 times 8 over 8, and then we will multiply 7/8 times 5 over 5. See, this is really no frills. I'm not even going to use the eraser. And I've got janky writing because I can't even afford an Apple Pencil, so totally low budget. Okay, so 4 times 8 is 32. And then we multiply 5 times 8 in the denominator to get 40. Okay, next side, we do 7 times 5 to get 35, and then 8 times 5 to get 40. Now we have common denominators, and we can look at and compare our numerators. So 32 is less than 35. So we can say that 4/5 is less than 7/8. We can also verify that by looking at the decimal. So if we convert 4/5 to a decimal, I would divide 4 by 5. If I do that, I should get 0.8. And then if I convert 7/8 to a decimal, I'm going to divide 7 by 8, and that gives me 0.875. Now that's really easy to tell that 0.8 is less than 0.875. Okay, another really quick trick that you can do, if you don't want to do all that, is cross multiply. So let's cross multiply. Here, we'll do 5 times 7. Okay, so when we do 5 times 7, I'm going to put the 35 on this side. Okay, let's think of it this way. We're going to put the 35 over there. And then I'm going to cross multiply and do 8 times 4, which gives me 32. Okay, so that's very easy to see. 32 on this side. 32 is less than 35. So 4/5 is less than 7/8. Okay, so that is 3 different ways to do that, that comparing. I really hope this helps. If it does, please follow me for more tutorials. Thanks.